Hi, my name is Alex Granovsky and I'm the managing member of Granovsky and Sundaresh. We are an employment law firm based right here in New York City. We have a ton of people that call us and ask us to help them negotiate or work on the terms of their employment agreement. And we have a ton of experience with it. In this video, we're going to go over the 4 biggest mistakes that people make when it comes to negotiating an employment agreement or a contract. Mistake number 1, pretty obvious, not negotiating. This is your first, best, and ripest opportunity to negotiate over the terms and conditions of employment. If you don't take advantage of the opportunity, you are really doing yourself a disservice. So even if you don't have a plan, even if you don't hire a lawyer, even if you don't do a good job, just try. If you get something, it's a win. That's mistake number 1. Number 2, you have to understand the details. People who don't understand the details of their agreement can make big mistakes. Some bonuses could be subject to a clawback. Sometimes whether you receive a bonus or not can depend on when you give notice. There are considerations about non-compete, non-solicit that get kind of granular, and you have to understand those. And failing to understand those details is a big mistake that a lot of people make. They'll focus on the salary or the gross amount of the bonus, but they won't see all the strings attached. Third biggest mistake is relying on verbal promises. Never rely on a verbal promise. Any agreement worth its salt has a paragraph in there that says only rely on the written word. Anything anyone tells you doesn't matter. Because look, it's not illegal to lie. People could change their mind, or the very well-meaning person that made this promise to you could no longer be employed when it comes down to mattering. So don't rely on the verbal promises. Get it down on the written page. And fourth, and maybe this is a little self-serving, the 4th biggest mistake that people make is not hiring a professional. Get a lawyer to understand the details, to explain to you what you do and don't need into your agreement, to explain to you what sorts of things can and are less likely to be problems down the road. Hire a professional. And when you don't, that's the 4th biggest mistake people make. Look, hope this video helped. Like I said, we are a New York City employment law firm, and if you need any help, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care.